So you're going to see what happens. All of a sudden, her shoulders start to move around and her hips start to move around. And for someone like Shannon, it works because she has that core strength. But until you're building up to a really, really strong core and you feel like you're okay, stay with the small circle. Did that work?
Yeah, man, that sucks to go big. I feel it.
Yeah.
Like it's hard. It pulls the wrong way and.
We can talk about that. So let's do that. I'm gonna make you talk. Yeah, because it's true. I mean, I don't think people understand.
Like I can really feel, like I feel it in my, like over here, kind of in my obliques, I guess, and like in my lower back, and it feels wrong.
If you notice, her knee is exactly in line with her hip. She hasn't crossed it over. So Shannon, do it wrong. She's crossing her knee over, everything's twisting, it's a little cockamamie. Don't want that. So even if you can't touch your foot, don't worry about it. Reach for your foot. How people do it wrong, I think you already know, is they let their knee drop and they do this. And so the knee has to stay in line with your hip. You're leaning on your ankle instead. See how that's wrong. Exactly. Now she's aligned, and then you can feel it, right? It feels like she's using those muscles, but she's also not really loading the shoulder. So many of us use our shoulders when we should be using our core.